Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Jai Shamir and you all are watching Jaish on Board. So friends, you might be thinking about the topic of my today's video. So let's end the suspense. It is about the top 5 food products that we consume in our daily life without even knowing whether they are halal or haram. Number 1, M&Ms. You must have eaten M&Ms once in your life. They taste so good and are available at almost every supermarket. But have you ever thought about them being halal or haram? Let me tell you that M&Ms are halal or not. So friends, M&Ms are not halal because they use additives that come from animal products, and even the red ones are haram because they have E120, which is E120, and it is a dye made from crushing insects. So friends, the product number 2 is marshmallows. So friends, majority of kids love to eat marshmallows as they are very yummy. It is really hard to resist, but be aware that they are not halal and contain pork byproducts. There are a few brands of halal marshmallows which use gelatin, which is derived from cow proteins instead of pork. Only these can be eaten by Muslims. You might be thinking about the next products. So yeah, thumbs up to you because you guessed correctly. So the next product is Smarties. So friends, Smarties are not halal certified, and even the brand Nestle itself says that none of the Smarties products are halal. So let's move on the next product, which is Oreo. So friends, Oreo is the most popular biscuit in the world and in my opinion is available in every country. This is also a product which is not halal certified and produced in Europe. But if it is made in a Muslim country, then you can definitely consume it after checking the halal certified stamp on it. Now last but not the least, the product is Doritos. So friends, these chips seem so tasty while looking at the packaging, but the dairy ingredients used in Doritos are not halal. The natural and artificial flavors used in Doritos are also not halal. So friends, I hope this video will prove to be beneficial for letting you know about the children's all-time favorite product that as Muslims we must not eat unless they are halal certified. So thank you so much. Fi aman Allah.